Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for John in Kentucky on the President Richard. John, got this beautiful radio all ready for you. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. I really love these radios. Just the way they're built, the nice big heat sinks, very compact, very powerful though for the size, and easy to navigate. John, you said he was going to run just a barefooted station. Just wanted it crystal clear and loud. So we set it up for you. I personally like the factory mics on these. I think they sound the best, but you ordered an adapter, so we'll get that adapter fixed up for you and sent as well. Let's start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. It's got you about 3.5, 4 watts all the way down. 15 all the way up, so you can run it all the way up if you want. It won't hurt the radio at all. Show you average power swing. Hello. 33 bird average. 100 watt slug at PEP. Hello. 1-2 audio. So about 52 peak. This radio also has FM. It's set up for you too. All kinds of features. So be sure to study it. And there's lots of YouTube videos out there for it as well. A little USB port here as well. So we'll get this on up there to you there, John, from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.